Okay, good day everyone. Our lesson for this day is about the fundamental trigonometric identities. We're going to use the unit circle with the equation of x squared plus y squared with the radius of 1 unit. Okay, from that ratio, we can identify the following trigonometric ratio. So let's start with the what we call the sine. So we have the sine ratio, sine theta, using the unit circle. So sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So we have y over 1. And for the cosine theta, and that is adjacent over hypotenuse. Meaning to say, if sine theta is equals to y over 1, it is true that sine theta is equals to y. Also true with the cosine. So cosine theta is x over 1 or equal to x. And then for the tangent theta, and that is opposite over adjacent. Opposite is y, and adjacent side is x. So we have the sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. And next, the other three. Ibaba muna natin itong part na to. Okay, for the other three, cosecant. So cosecant, for the cosecant theta, we have reciprocal of sine theta, y over r. So for cosine, we have 1 over y, cosecant theta. Next, for the secant theta, and that is reciprocal of cosine, so it is 1 over x. And the last, for the tangent theta, cotangent theta is reciprocal of tangent, so it is x over y. Okay, so from the following trigonometric ratio, we can find out what we call reciprocal identities. Okay, we can use the x, y, and 1. For sine theta, that is y. For cosine theta, that is x. And let's start with what we call cosecant theta. First identity natin ay ang cosecant theta. So, cosecant theta is 1 over, instead of y, we mentioned above that sine theta is equals to y. Therefore, pwedeng gawin natin ang cosecant theta is equals to y over, instead of letter y, we can use sine theta. Kasi nga, di ba, ang value natin ng sine theta is letter y. So, we can use that. So, that is the first identity. Cosecant theta is 1 over sine theta. Next, for the secant theta. Secant theta is 1 over x. Ito yung ating 1 over x. So, gamitin natin yung 1 over x. Ang x natin ay cosine. So, we can use that. So, secant theta is the reciprocal of 1 over cosine theta. Yan. And the last part, that is the cotangent. O pwede tangent. Tangent, cotangent, 1 second. Ano ba pwede? Okay. So, meron pa tayong dalawa. Yung common ratio, second and kasecond. Okay, next for the last one of reciprocal identity, the cotangent. Cotangent theta is the reciprocal of 1 over tangent theta. Yan. Okay, so meron tayo ngayon tatlong reciprocal identities. Okay, so finally, we have the three reciprocal identities. Cosecant theta is 1 over sine theta. Secant theta, 1 over cosine theta. Cotangent theta is 1 over tangent theta. And next, for the quotient identities, let us start with the tangent. Tangent tayo kukuha. So, ang tangent theta natin is the same as y over x. Pwede natin gamitin sa tangent theta, yung y over x, pwede natin gamitin ang instead na y, that is represent for sine theta. And x is cosine theta. So therefore, tangent theta, identity with sine over cosine. Next, how about for cotangent theta? That is reciprocal of tangent. So it is x over y. So instead of x, we can use cosine theta over sine theta. So we have two quotient identities. The tangent theta, sine over cosine, and the cotangent theta, cosine over sine. Y. Naririnig yung shoutout nyo, naririnig. Shoutout. Okay so meron tayong isang sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. Isa na yan Isa na yan. Alright. Next. Ilagay natin siya ng mark para makita nyo. Lagyan natin ng mark. Ito na isa. Okay, sulat natin yung sa board para meron kayong kopya. Nakakadalawa na tayo So, yung una natin ay sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Nanggaling pa sa unit circle equation. Tapos, yung pangalawa, itong 1 plus cotangent squared theta, kinuha natin dito. Ano ginawa lang natin? Divide natin lahat sa sine squared theta. So, meron tayong 8 fundamental identities, tatlong reciprocal, dalawang quotient, at tatlong Pythagorean. Yan, lahat yun ay 8. Sa iba, tinatawag yan na 8 fundamental. Simplify. First equation, letter A, tan x cos x over sin x. Yan. Ay, hindi masyadong kita sa ano. Okay lang, malinaw naman dito sa ano. Yan. Okay, ito yung kuha natin na identity ha. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Yun, meron tayo simplify. Iba na simplify na. Letter A yan, simplify. Nakalagay ko na yung tan x cos x over sin x. Tingnan nyo ha, kung ano yung angle na ginamit, yun lang sundin nyo. O dito, ang ginamit mga data. Sundin nyo yun. Pero ang ginamit ito, angle x. So yun ang gagamitin natin. Kapag nag-simplify ng mga identities, kung nakalagay na sa sine and cosine, huwag yun ang gagalawin yung sine and cosine. Di ba, ang lagi natin yung basic trigo ay sine and cosine. Ang hanapan nyo ng identity, yung apat. Ano yung apat? Tangent, secant, and cosecant. Yung apat na yan. Yung sine and cosine, kumbaga yung sine and cosine, parang nakano sila, nakasimplify. So sa case na to, tangent yung kuha naman ng identity. So, ganun mag-simplify. Pagka sine and cosine, huwag na yung... Kapag ginawa natin ang identity ang tangent, pwedeng gamitin. So, instead na tangent, tan x, palitan mo siya ng sin x over cos. Di ba ito? Yan o. Gamitin mo to. Yan. Tapos nandun pa rin yung cos x all over andun yung sin x. Then, basic fundamental ng operation. Di ba ito pwede na i-cancel? So, natira yung sin x over cos sin x. Yun. So, ano lang? 1. Ay, letter B tayo. May oras pa. O, meron pa. Aga pa. 7:34 pa.